Morning, lovely, beautiful people. Let's talk about something today. So it's about the detergent packaging container. Well, let's talk about the worst one first, which is what I want to talk about now, which is this one. So this one is the worst design. Can you tell me how? How it's bad? The first thing, the cap, like this. It just used more material. So it's mean more trash, more waste material at the end because it's just a container. So and in terms of volume to material ratio for the smaller container, of course it's going to be bad. So there's a certain point that this kind of ratio has become like not worthwhile to but talk about the recycling ability, whatever you call it. You say it's used so much material just to contain half a liter, so 648 cc of the liquid. And I think this is bad because you can't really do a measurement. You don't have a measuring cup. So in this case, for some other brands, you got the measuring cup as your cap. Oops. So it's a cap and acting as a measuring cup. So it's two-in-one task, which is the great thing about it. Which the thing I want to talk about the other two. So this actually is not detergent, but it's about laundry, so it's good. Another one is this one. So you got like a cap like this. I have no affiliation with this brand or anything, but just to point out that this is good design. So you got a good amount of cup, which is, I would say, roughly about 50 cc for this one, give or take. But although some design is just too small for the measuring, so with this you have to do two measuring. And the thing is, you will always spill the detergent inside the thread, and as the time progresses, it will create such a mess around the around this area. So it's not gonna look nice. So I would say this something right here, I don't know what you call it. It's pretty neat. It's helped to reduce the spillage, but without the measuring cup, this one sucks. All right. Talking about bigger size, the same brand. This is the one that my roommate using now. So the bigger size, I think it's 1 liter. Yeah, 126 mil. This one you got a flexible. This look like silicone cup to do the measure. You can use this one to measure the amount of detergent you want to put in. So you can put half, 3/4, and I think this is the recommended amount that you need to put in your for like a full size laundry. And there's another one, which is one of the best design, not the best for everything, but so you see you got a flange in this area to protect from spillage. For when you have some spillage, it's most likely to be contained in this area. And the cup is pretty big, so it just gives enough amount of measurement, and when you pour it into the machine, most likely every spillage is going to be contained, so it will be nice and clean and doesn't make too much mess. So yeah, that's the thing about engineering. Everything in life is involve engineering, and good engineering results in better life quality. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you learned something today, and see you next time on the trail.